To understand how the brain works, it's vital to map wiring diagrams of neural circuits. FlyWire is an online community working towards the first complete brain wiring diagram of an animal with a centralized brain, a fruit fly. The fly brain has a manageable number of neurons for this purpose, about 100,000, and contains circuitry of enough complexity to carry out a range of behaviors. A whole female fly brain was sliced and imaged by electron microscopy, allowing us at Princeton to apply artificial intelligence to detect cells within this stack of images. The AI reconstructed 3D cells that are often large fragments or even mostly complete. Our users proofread these by cutting off incorrect branches and adding missing branches. Proofreading is easy to get good at and is quite a lot of fun. Once you have cells that have been proofread, you can start to map neural circuits by examining the synaptic connections between neurons. The quality of the reconstructed cells gets better and better as more people contribute, and we work towards crowdsourcing a whole brain wiring diagram.